Well, that's the reaction there coming in from the Adani Group. In the currency market, the Indian rupee gaining ground against the dollar. The rupee ended the day at 81.59 against the greenback, gaining about 13 paise in trade today. And in the commodity market, crude oil prices rose as investors remained optimistic on a recovery in demand from China. On the supply side, major oil producers expected to keep output steady when they meet next week. Brent trading above $86 a barrel posted a sharp fall in the previous session. Well, the big earnings today. Bajaj Auto has beaten street estimates in Q3. EBITDA is at a record high thanks to judicious pricing and better dollar realization. Sonia standing by with the earnings fine print. Sonia.
Well, thanks a lot for that. As you rightly pointed out, it's a very good set of numbers that's come in for Bajaj Auto. Now, this time around, you had lower raw material prices, which aided the margins for these two-wheeler makers, and that is what has stood out in this quarter. So if you look at the overall numbers, the margins is what really stands out. 1,776 crores is the core EBITDA. The expectation was 1,535 crores, which means the margins are more than 200 basis points higher than what the street was estimating. So it's a big beat in that sense. 19.1% margins is what we've seen for Bajaj Auto compared to an expectation of 17.3%. That's also a 30% growth compared to what we've seen last year as far as the core EBITDA is concerned. Now remember, this is at a time when the exports are under pressure for some of Bajaj Auto's key markets. But nevertheless, in the press release, the management says that this is the record high EBITDA that they delivered. And there are a couple of reasons for this. Of course, lower raw material prices, but better dollar realizations and a richer product mix is what has aided margins as well. So all in all, good set of numbers, positive commentary coming in from the management. And, we could expect the stock to open in the green tomorrow. Back to you.
All right, Sonia, many thanks for joining us. That's Bajaj Auto's Q3 for you. And staying with earnings, let's move on to pharma major Cipla, reporting a weak set of numbers for the third quarter. Consolidated